Sir, are you also appealing to the majority na lumipat sa inyo?
Yes.
Sa minority?
Why not?
Sino-sino po kaya?
Lahat sila.
Lahat po.
We're appealing. Wala lang siya si Alan Peter. Lahat. Kita namin. Manit ka sa amin. Pero si Alan Peter, steady ka lang dyan.
Ganito lang, no? We appeal to the rest of the members of the majority bloc. Huwag din si Senate President kasi we appeal to their sense of duty, of their responsibility. Kasi mukhang untenable na si SP kasi siya yung nagsasabi sa mga kasama namin na huwag mag-attend ng session. So we now appeal to the rest of the members of the majority bloc. We appeal to their sense of duty na sana mag-attend sila ng session bukas.
Pwede ba mag-session kung wala si SP Alan?
Well, under the rules, pag wala yung SP, pwede mag-preside ang pro temp. Pag wala yung SP and pro temp, pwede mag-preside ang majority leader. Pag wala yung tatlo, pwede mag-preside any of the two deputy majority leaders.
Or any other member designated by the Senate
Now.
President.
Yeah.
Sir, you have information na talagang utos po ni SP Cayetano na
Yun ang nirelay sa amin ng secretariat.